Tired of clunky, outdated financial solutions? Today, we're diving deep into Wallester, a fintech platform promising streamlined financial management. We'll uncover if it's the real deal or just another overhyped service. First, let's look at the features. Wallester offers virtual and physical cards, perfect for managing both online and offline spending. The real power lies in its detailed analytics track where your money goes with crystal clear spending reports. Need to create custom reports for your business? Wallester allows flexible reporting, saving you time and effort during tax season. Plus, robust AP integration makes it compatible with your existing accounting software. Security is paramount, and Wallester employs multi-factor authentication, encryption, and fraud monitoring to keep your funds safe. They are also compliant with PCI DSS standards, making it a secure financial option. Finally, let's talk about user experience. The Wallester app is designed for simplicity. The interface is intuitive, making it easy to navigate and manage your finances on the go. So, is Wallester right for you? It depends on your needs. If you're looking for a modern, secure, and user-friendly financial solution with powerful analytics, Wallester is worth exploring. Visit the link in the description to learn more and sign up for a free trial.